Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Ugreen Revodok Max 213 Thunderbolt 4 dock. This powerhouse docking station aims to transform your workspace with its impressive array of features and connectivity options. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Ugreen Revodok Max 213 is designed to cater to professionals seeking ultimate connectivity. It boasts a robust build with a gunmetal gray aluminum finish, exuding a sleek yet utilitarian vibe. This dock isn't just about looks, it's packed with functionality to support even the most demanding tasks. Let's talk ports. This dock features a staggering variety: 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C, and multiple USB-A ports catering to both legacy and modern devices. For media professionals, there are high-speed SD card slots and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, ideal for quick data transfers and reliable networking. In terms of performance, the Revodok Max 213 shines. It supports up to 2 4K displays, ensuring crisp visuals and seamless multitasking capabilities. The dock stays remarkably cool even under heavy load, thanks to thoughtful thermal management features like silica gel layers and vented aluminum surfaces. While its substantial size and weight might not suit every desk setup, the dock's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It blends well with modern setups, offering versatility in placement with rubberized feet and a solid build that feels reassuringly durable. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Despite its extensive port selection, the absence of HDMI may be a significant inconvenience for users heavily reliant on HDMI-only monitors. This could necessitate purchasing additional adapters, adding to the overall cost and complexity. In conclusion, the Ugreen Revodok Max 213 Thunderbolt 4 dock is a compelling choice. For professionals looking to enhance their productivity setup, it excels in providing ample connectivity options and robust performance, albeit at a premium price point. Whether it's worth the investment depends on your specific needs and tolerance for the lack of HDMI connectivity. That wraps up our review of the Ugreen Revodok Max 213 Thunderbolt 4 dock. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about this docking station and if you'd consider adding it to your setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.